Hello everybody, this is Vi, and I'm about to play RRShooter. This is part of the AGDG Demo Day 18. I did some messing around. Hopefully I have completely vanquished the audio issues I was having earlier. You should be able to hear me quite clearly now, so you're welcome. In any case, this is a game which I played in the last Demo Day actually, so this is a couple months later. So it'll be interesting to see how it compares to the last demo and kind of what tweaks have been made, whatever. I did notice a couple things off the back when I was just setting up the audio here. For one thing, there appears to still not be any way to set true full screen here. I just maximized the window. Let's see, I'm going to check the website real fast here, see if I can find anything I missed. Let's open this up. Okay, Alt and Enter is full screen. Alright, good. Let's get that going. Alright, so hopefully this is still capturing in OBS. It looks that way. Alright. So, the second thing I noticed, I went into the tutorial here just to kind of check on the audio, but I noticed that there is thumbstick implementation. I'm using my Xbox 360 controller. Unfortunately, there's 0 dead zone on the movement, which means that basically anything except absolute neutral on the thumbstick is going to register. And because of the way thumbsticks work and how they get, worn over time, basically it can be at neutral and it will still output like a really small value, which is why the dead zone is important, because that keeps it from sending unwanted values to the game. So when I first opened this tutorial, it was actually stuck walking to the right like this, and right now I'm not touching my controller at all. It's just the thumbstick is just like 1% in that direction. Even though it's effectively neutral. And my thumbstick is not worn out, by the way. It's still pretty tight, but it's not a brand new controller either. But so it's really important to get that dead zone implemented. Actually, kind of unsure about whether I can use this controller at all because of that problem. So I'm gonna check. I don't know what... Oh, set up. Yeah, I don't want to do this. Alright, so this is another thing. I hate it when this happens. Oh, apparently it doesn't even work with the controller. So yeah, I'm going to hit F4. Hopefully that... Whoop. Oh, okay, WASD. So for some reason this... Alright. X input. Yeah, for some reason this just completely stopped responding to the Xbox controller. Even though I just set it to X input, supposedly. The WASD does work. Enter key doesn't seem to work. Huh. Press F4 again. See, I keep pressing F4. It doesn't seem to help. Okay, so... X input, direct input. Yeah, I'm actually stuck in the menu at this point. So the only thing responding to input right now is WASD. I did go into map keys and I ended up mapping everything to the escape key because I was just trying to escape from it. So what I hate about those map key screens is when you can't cancel. So you have to, like, once you push the button to go into it, you have to map every single key before you can get out again, and I really hate that. So adding a way, just hit escape or something even, or put a little thing on the screen that says press whatever to cancel or something like that, that'd be appreciated. But as it is, I don't know what happened, but after doing that, I can't actually do anything except move the cursor up and down. I tried pressing F4 a bunch of times, and that doesn't help. The controller no longer responds. Enter doesn't work. So yeah, I'm just going to Alt F4 and try relaunching the game. Hopefully this will just fix it. We can get back into trying this out.
AGDG.
Alright, looks like it's hooked in alright. What was it? Alt and Enter, that's full screen. Alright, looks like we're back in business. This does say keyboard. I don't know what this is for exactly, because I was using the Xbox controller before, so I set that to X input and see what happens. Alright, so it seems the same. Oh, that was the bomb thing. Okay. Alright, escape key didn't work. Start button does. Just gonna go to main menu. Try setting this to direct input. I don't think this is gonna make a difference. I just kind of want to see what happens. So, whoops. Okay, so yeah, still the same issue here, but oh, I forgot you can't do. I thought you could do diagonals in this game. Might just be remembering wrong. I don't know. I kind of want to go back and check now. So I did notice you can't hit the escape key. I keep hitting the escape key, but I have to use the start button. I don't know if that's right. Keyboard. I didn't save and exit. I don't know. Alright, so if I get this centered, I might be able to use the D-pad. I'm just afraid that the thumbstick is going to get shaken and then it's going to start moving on its own, even though I'm using the D-pad. So yeah, I might be able to just get by with the D-pad here. So yeah. Oh, now the keyboard's not even responding. This seems very strange to me. I tried WASD and the arrow keys. Escape key doesn't work. The control pad continues to work. So that's especially confusing because this option here is set to keyboard. I don't even know what this option does, honestly. Or maybe it's just not implemented fully yet, but in any case, it's kind of unusual. Or it might be because I mapped the keys all wrong before and it saved it. I mean, we can... I don't know what the defaults were. I don't know how to... Alright, so I guess you had to set pause as one of the mapping things. I'd probably keep that as a default on escape key if you're going to do that for keyboard. Enter key still doesn't work here. I have to use the fire key, so I would definitely change that menu selection or to set the enter key like as well as the fire key, or however you want to do that. Alright, so jump, shoot, boost, bomb, pause. Alright, so I'm assuming Again, I have to hit fire key. Can't use enter key. I'm assuming, yeah, so this works now. And so does the escape key, okay. So yeah, I would definitely leave escape as kind of hard-coded for the pause button, and enter for the menus, which you could do in addition to your fire key if you like. Alright, in any case, alright, now see it stopped. Now it stopped responding to the controller. And I don't know why, because it was doing... Alright. Save and exit. So here it's still working with the keyboard, but now it's... Oh no, it's not working with the controller. Alright, X input. I don't know if I can get the controller back now. It seems to be stuck on keyboard controls. Yeah, I can't get the controller to work again, so just go ahead and close out and we'll relaunch the game. That should fix it.
AGDG.
Alt, wait, make sure this is hooked in. Alt enter. Uh-oh. Nothing from the controller. Set to keyboard for some reason. Try turning my controller off and on again. Alright, no good.
AGDG.
Yeah, the controller's not responding anymore, so I think if I just close this and see if I can delete the options file here, see if that works.
AGDG.
Oh, still nothing. Wow. That's weird.
AGDG.
Nope, nothing at all. Okay. So yeah, unfortunately this hasn't been a very exciting video so far. I've got nothing from my controller. This is still set to keyboard. I don't know, try D input. Let's try... Nope, nothing. Default controls. You can combine them in options. Let's see. It does say press F4, so I don't know if that'll actually work this time. I still have nothing from the controller. What else can I do here? I don't know what the deal is with the fact that I deleted the options.ini file and that didn't do anything. I don't know, there's a data.win file. I don't know what this stuff does, so I'm not really sure what else to do. Or if deleting it will even be safe in this implementation here. So, just try something real quick here. tried changing data.win to data.back. I'm not doing this with any confidence. I'm just messing around at this point. Oops, what happened? Oh, okay, that's very bizarre. Uh-huh.
AGDG.
Okay, that completely didn't work at all. Yeah, it just didn't launch. So that was just a stupid thing, but oh, change input type with AD? What? Oh, that's because... Well, yeah, but... Oi, okay. So I don't know if there's like any files other places on the Windows installation. I can obviously like re-download this if that would make a difference, which I don't know. I can try that real quick. It'll take a minute anyways. Alright, so re-downloaded it. Let's delete that. Oh, it's open. Huh. Alright, so I messed up something when I was screwing around before. Okay. There we go. Just had to go in the task menu real quick. And we're going to open up this, which I downloaded just now.
AGDG.
Let's get this. Alright, it's hooked into OBS. And still nothing. Okay. So, yeah, I don't know why it's not working with the controller. Oh, and a crash. Alright, so I don't know if you saw that. It probably didn't show on OBS. The game just crashed. It was immediately after I just plugged my controller back in, which may or may not be related, but it did happen like immediately afterwards, so...
AGDG.
Yeah, unfortunately I can't get the controller to work anymore. All I can think of is to check Windows files. I don't know where to look exactly. It'd be in program files somewhere. Let's see. App data. I don't know. I don't see anything. I'm sorry, I don't know what to do. I tried searching for files on the machine real quick. It didn't appear to work. So I'm kind of stuck without any keyboard input. I mean, controller input. For some strange reason. Let's see. Just to make sure. Alright, yeah, I just launched another game and the controller is working. So, unfortunately, this hasn't worked out. And at this point, I don't know what else to try. It's very strange to me. Okay. Options.ini doesn't even have anything for controls in there. So I don't know where you're hiding stuff. I don't know if there is something else in the windows. I might have to just ask you and show you this video. I don't know, but yeah, I'd probably just rather just get this figured out rather than try and play the game with the keyboard. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up this video, and hopefully there's something here that you could make use of. But in the meantime, didn't actually play the game at all, so I can't comment on it. I might make another video if we can get this figured out. So yeah, I'll have to look into that later and move on to something else. See you later.